Hi, I'm Kristen, and I'm really excited to be throwing my hat into the Project Catalyst ring, and I want to share with you what I'm building and what I'm trying to solve. Cardano is built different. That's why we're here, and one of the reasons we're so excited about it. That difference also means it's important to have tools for easily exploring, building, and communicating about the services and protocols that will be built on the Cardano network. I've taken my inspiration from conversations I've had with people who are building smart contracts on the Cardano network, plus the Plutus Pioneer Lecture Series. The Plutus Pioneer Series does a good job of explaining how tokens move along the smart contract protocols. Here, and I can show a screenshot, here you can see a super simplified version of what a protocol might entail. And even in this simplified version, you need to keep track of NFTs, oracles, buyers, sellers, and all the funds being swapped. As these protocols become more complicated, as they inevitably will, having tools to inspect protocols already running on the network and tools to help design your own smart contracts will smooth out that white paper to finished product pipeline. Why can't everyone have access to an application that automatically and graphically displays how these protocols work? First, I want to show you the Discover portion of my app. I put together a proof of concept to give you a sense of how this might work. Take any transaction hash, and I'm going to grab one over here from Cardano Scan, paste it over here, and you have the inputs and outputs graphically displayed. You can probably see the Plutus Pioneer inspiration in this initial design. And here I'm just showing a single transaction, but the plan is to show a network of transactions and how they're related to one another. From here, you can hike the blockchain. So I'm going to take information from this node here, copy that into the text field, and you're going to see the relationship to its parent transaction. This is the first step into being able to see entire protocols. As a desktop application, you'll be able to connect to your private test network as well. With a more detailed properties panel, some added interactions, you'll be able to observe the flow of tokens and help with debugging and to create external demonstrations. In design mode, you will be able to model your own protocols from scratch. Drop in all the inputs and outputs, and along with a series of transactions that will take place. So I'm going to show you how that would work here. Let's drop a couple UTXOs on this side. Drop a transaction, which will be in the middle. Couple outputs. We'll create links between them. And you can continue building it out from there. So on and so forth. As this builds out, you'll be able to specify the tokens, the amounts that are represented by each of the UTXOs, and you'll be able to have checks in place to ensure that all the inputs and the outputs are accounted for. Again, this is just a proof of concept to give you a sense of what that final app is going to look like. So in conclusion, you can find more detailed information about my project on the Cardano Idea Scale, including the planned functionality that I have and a production timeline. I'm really excited to be building this for everybody and hopefully to be part of Project Catalyst.